Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Automotive. Today we have the 2020 Mazda MX-5 Miata RF. RF stands for Retractable Fastback, which comes down like that. It's really cool. I definitely am a fan of it because it maintains that hardtop look. Snowflake White Pearl is the exterior color on red Napa leather. Really beautiful spec on this one. I'm a huge fan of it. $35,935 is the total price for this one, based on the Grand Touring trim. You can also get Club, which adds your Brembos and stuff like that. But this is kind of the more luxurious of the trim levels. See that red Napa leather. Roof process, all done with this button here. Then you can stop it at any process too. Then it comes back and it's just full open top experience. Put it back up. And it beeps to no. So you know that you are all set. The white on red in here is absolutely awesome. Nice little cubby here. Here's your cup holder, glove box. Because the glove box isn't down here. Heated seats, everything you would ever want or need. Without further ado, let's go ahead. Not hit these two gigantic bumps that are right here, because at the end of the day this is a low sports car, and go for a drive. In 2019, the Miata received quite a good refresh mechanically. Redline was increased to 7,500 RPM, and power was brought up to 181 horsepower. It definitely changed the character of the car. It woke everything up a bit more, made it a lot more playful and a lot more powerful. I've always loved the Miata's gearbox. Been a huge fan of it ever since I drove the first one, and this is, of course, no exception. Absolutely awesome. Driving position is superb. It is a smaller car. That you're gonna, if you're looking at a Miata, you know it's a small car. But doesn't mean it is not fun. And it actually feels really quick. You know, the Miata wasn't designed to be a straight line car. It never was. The closest we ever got was the Mazda Speed MX-5 with the NB generation, which is the second generation. That had a turbocharged motor and was an absolute riot of a car. With this generation remaining true to its roots, compared to the NC, the ND Miata this generation is smaller, has a little bit more power too, I believe, especially with this new motor. Oh yeah, because I remember the first one, the 2015 ND, was down on power. People were like, why would you do that? But the car was smaller. It harked back to the first Miata, which is still today considered one of the best driver's cars on the market. You can also get an automatic transmission with the Miata. I, of course, would go with this wonderful 6-speed. Absolutely wonderful. Even without having the Brembo brakes, this one drives phenomenally well. The brakes feel absolutely awesome. It's actually a good amount of leg room too. Really, really nice. I love these cars. There's your forward collision warning because I don't know what this guy's doing. I almost bought one of these actually. I considered it and I decided to go with the Challenger, but this is an awesome car. So thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.